Made on Mars. Well, our interest isn't in the fact that this is a fake LG LED TV. What we really want is to see if its display problem can be fixed. Its symptom is some flickering and patterned horizontal lines. Gate signals random failure within the glass due to low quality design. Panel made by CSOT. So, first off, we check to ensure all gate signals are okay. Most techs would rule this screen as unrepairable, but we'd do this check still to see if one side of the panel shows better. Now we try this. Convert gate signals output to the non-switching type. And that does it.